A very good day to all viewers. Today we will study specimen of Hydra, Obelia, Aurelia, sea anemone and Gorgonia. The aim of the practical is to study the specimens of Hydra, Obelia, Aurelia, sea anemone and Gorgonia. Introduction. All the above mentioned specimens follow under phylum Coelenterata. The coelentrates are colorful group of water-dwelling, radially symmetrical and lower invertebrate animals, including a large number of familiar and beautiful forms such as Hydra, Obelia, Aurelia, sea anemone, Gorgonia, etc. We start with Hydra. Classification. Phylum Coelenterata. Animals of this phylum have tissue grade of organization. They are diploblastic and acoelomate. Class Hydrozoa. Hydroids containing medusa with velum. Order Hydroidea. Polypoid generation well developed. Suborder Athecata. Hydrotheca is absent. Genus Hydra. Habit and habitat. Hydra is a solitary and sedentary freshwater form found attached to stones, rocks and weeds. Distribution. Distribution is cosmopolitan, but they are most commonly found in India, Canada and USA. Comments. Cylindrical body is tube-like, measuring approximately 1.3 cm in length. Anterior end contains mouth or hypostome, which is crowned with 6 to 10 filiform nematocyst bearing tentacles. Proximal end of the body contains pedal or basal disc or foot meant for attachment to the substrate. Body is diploblastic, consisting of outer ectoderm, inner endoderm. Body wall encloses a gastrovascular cavity extending into the tentacles. In female Hydra, ovary and buds are found on sides in mid position. In male Hydra, 3 or 4 pairs of testes are found anteriorly and a full grown bird with tentacles on side. Testes develop near the oral end and ovaries near the base. It reproduces sexually by fusion of sperms and ova. During asexual reproduction, lateral buds develop on the sides of the body, which later on detach and develop into new Hydra. Moving ahead, we study Obelia. Classification. Phylum Cnidaria. These animals have tissue grade of organization. They are diploblastic and acoelomate. This is subphylum of Coelenterata. Class Hydrozoa. Order Hydroidea. Suborder Leptomedusae. Polyps are athecate, that is not covered by Hydrotheca. Medusa is with gonads on Menubria. Genus Obelia. Habit and habitat. The hydroid face of Obelia is a typical marine, small, branching, sedentary and colonial form. It lives at 80 meters depth. Distribution. Obelia has a worldwide distribution except the high Arctic and Antarctic seas. Comments. The colony of Obelia looks like a delicate mossy or fur-like growth, whitish or light brown in color. It consists horizontal and vertical filaments. The basal or horizontal anchoring portion of a colony is like a creeping root or complicated meshwork encrusting over the surface of the substratum. It is called the hydrorhiza or rhizome. In Greek, rhizo means root. The hydrorhiza gives off several slender, upright or vertical threads called hydrocolli. Each hydrocolis forms the main stem or axis of a colony and measures about 2 to 3 centimeter in height. The stem and the zooids of the colony are made up of a living hollow cellular tube, the choanosac. Through its life cycle, Obelia take two forms, that are polyp and medusa. They are diploblastic with two true tissue layers, an epidermis, that is ectodermis, and a gastrodermis, which is an endodermis, with a jelly-like mesoglia filling the area between the two true tissue layers. A gastrovascular cavity is present where the digestion starts and later becomes intracellular. They have incomplete digestive tracts where the food enters, is digested and expelled through the same opening. During the polyp stage, the mouth is situated at the top of the body surrounded by tentacles, whereas during the medusa stage, the mouth is situated at the distal end of the main body structure. 4 gonads lie in this main body structure or manubrium. When food is taken in through the mouth, it enters the manubrium. The food is then distributed through a canal system consisting of 4 radial canals and an outer ring. Defense and the capture of prey are helped by unique stinging cells called cnidocytes that contain nematocysts, which are triggered by the cnidocele. Moving ahead, we now learn Aurelia. Classification: Phylum Coelenterata. Class Scyphozoa. Medusa is well developed and hydroid is reduced. Order Sima-Eostomia. The animals belonging to this order are Scyphomedusae with umbrella-like disc and oral lobes. Family Ulmaridae. Simple or branched radial canals and a ring canal is present. Genus Aurelia, that is jellyfish. Habit and habitat. Aurelia is a solitary marine and medusoid jellyfish, often living in brackish water. It inhabits coastal water of all oceans in all zones and in abundant number, mostly living in warm and temperate latitudes. Distribution. Aurelia is very common along the entire Atlantic coast and Pacific coast and only form reported in temperate regions. Comments. Aurelia is commonly called as jellyfish. It measures approximately 30 cm in diameter. Body is gelatinous, transparent, bluish, whitish, reddish or pinkish. Saucer-shaped body is distinguished into convex exumbellar and concave subumbellar surfaces. Various other structures seen are gastric filaments, subgenital pits and velarium. Subumbellar margin contains marginal tentacles having stinging cells and 8 marginal lappets having sense organs or tentaculocysts in 8 lobes. Mouth is 4-cornered. Each corner is drawn out into an oral arm along paradiae. Interradial, adradial and perradial gastrovascular canals open in circular canal. Velarium is present. Jellyfish feeds on mollusks, crustaceans, protozoans, nematodes, rotifers, diatoms, polychaetes and copepods. It swims by rhythmic contractions of umbellar surfaces. Males and females are separate individuals. Life cycle shows alteration of generation. In the life cycle of Aurelia, elongated larva metamorphose into a small trumpet-shaped or hydra-like polyp about 5 mm high and without perisarc, known as Scyphistoma. It represents the hydroid or polyp phase in the life cycle of Aurelia. Its proximal part is narrowed into a stalk-like organ attached to the substratum by a basal disc. Tentacle birds are found at the region of mouth. In Aurelia, they are represented in larval stage only. The Scyphistoma feeds and grows up to 12 mm and may survive several months in this stage. Sea anemone. Classification: Phylum Coelenterata. Class: Anthozoa, Actinozoa. They are exclusively marine, solitary or colonial animals. Order: Actiniaria. These are solitary or colonial anemone-like polyps with one siphonoglyph and no skeleton. Tentacles and septa are paired and are often in multiples of 6. Examples are Fungia, Acropora and Oculina. Habit and habitat: The sea anemones live mostly attached to rocks, shells, seaweeds, submerged timbers and other strata from low tide marks to depths of 6,000. Distribution: It ranges to the Pacific and the North Atlantic coasts. External features: Sea anemones are brightly colored, mostly white, green, blue, orange, red, or a combination of many colors, but are usually brownish or yellowish. It has diameter of about 1 meter. Body is short, cylindrical, radially symmetrical and generally longer than broad when fully extended. Body is divided into 3 regions, that are pedal disc, column and oral disc. The oral end of the body is flat or slightly convex, short and delicate. It bears numerous short hollow marginal tentacles. Many sea anemones form symbiotic relationships with single-celled algae, whether zooxanthellae or zoochlorile, that live within their cells. The sea anemone is considered to be the flower of the sea. Sea anemones look like plants, but they are really meat-eating animals. Sea anemones come in different sizes and many different colors. They spend most of their lives at one place. They can attach themselves to rocks. Some even bury themselves in the mud. The last one on the list is Gorgonia. Classification: Phylum Coelenterata. Class: Anthozoa. Subclass: Octocorallia. Polyps are with 8 tentacles and bioluminescent. Order: Gorgonacea. Horny corals, polyps short, not reaching up to base. Suborder: Scleraxonia. Axial spicule is present. Family: Gorgonida. Slender stem, thin, coenenchyme and partially retractile Anthocordia are present. Genus: Gorgonia, commonly known as sea fen. Habit and habitat: Gorgonia is a colonial form inhabiting all seas from tide mark to over 4,000 meters. Most of them are littoral. Some prefer warmer seas. Shallow water forms heavy fen-like structure. Deep sea forms branch in all directions. It forms one of the chief attractions of the submarine gardens of shallow tropical and subtropical waters. Distribution: Gorgonia is found in South Atlantic and West Indies, Indo-Pacific Ocean, Malay Archipelago, Bermuda and Bahamas. Comments: Gorgonia is commonly called as sea fen, whose graceful form and soft coloration constitute one of the chief attractions of submarine gardens. It forms erect, yellowish or reddish arborescent branches in one plane connected by cross connections in a feathery manner, and contour of the body becomes fan-like. Branches are united by numerous cross branches, forming a network with meshes 2 to 5 mm wide, calcareous in nature. Base of the colony is expanded to form a hold-fast organ called a spadal disc. Polyps or entocodia emerge from branches and contain tentacles, mouth and gastrovascular cavity. Polyps occur in rows and on two sides only of the stem and its branches. In magnified portions, holes for polyps are seen. Skeleton consists of horn-like material called gorgonin embedded in mesoglea. An axial rod extends throughout the colony and its branches. Axial rod consists of medulla and cortex. Gorgonin is proteinaceous, consisting of tyrosine amino acid. Sexes are separate. Summary. In this topic, we have discussed some important specimens like Hydra, Obelia, Aurelia, sea anemone and Gorgonia under phylum Coelenterata. The coelentrates are almost marine, distributed generally throughout the seas. Aristotle considered coelentrates as the intermediate between plants and animals and termed them Acalephae or Nidae. Thank you.